Right, so I'd like to say I'm late to the party, but I'm not. Shredder's Revenge, it was released a month ago. Now, it's the 1st of August 2022, and this was released on digital a month ago. It's only just been released on physical. I like the physical games, unless it's download only. So this was released on the 29th of July 2022. And it reminds me of the arcade game from the 90s. It was a fantastic game, absolutely brilliant. Reminds me of The Simpsons as well. Similar sort of setup, 4-player game. So I thought, you know what? It's a no-brainer to get this. Right, so I've took the cellophane off and I'm just about to open it. And I've read on the front here that you get a keyring and a booklet. So, yes, all very nice there. I got it for the Switch because mainly the Switch for portability. I can take it to work and stuff like that, rather than just have the Xbox or something like that. So inside we have a nice pizza sliced keyring. And also, something that you never see now in games. I'll just get this out and put that over there. And it is a little booklet. Now in the booklet, it's got your characters, Leonardo, Donatello, Michelangelo, Raphael, also Splinter, because you can play Splinter, April O'Neil, Casey Jones. Oh, sorry, Shredder. And then the rest of the enemies there. Foot soldiers and all that. So basically it's just like a little mini manual. Leonardo was leader in blue. He's dedicated and disciplined, perfectionist with a strong moral sense. Sprites, just shows the movement of the sprites and stuff like that. So yeah, so what I'm going to do today, I'm just going to play one level and I'm probably going to play it on Gnarly. Gnarly is the hardest level you can play it on, which I'm told. I've seen a few sort of YouTube videos of it in the past, like, you know, big YouTubers who have had this game for about 2 months now. Unfortunately, I'm a small YouTuber. I have to buy this myself, but anyway, that's not a problem. So yeah, before we get into this gameplay, let's watch the awesome intro sang by none other than Mike Patton. Now, if you're too young to know who Mike Patton is the lead singer of a rock band that formed in, I think it was late 70s. Couldn't be called Fake No More. At the time, they weren't called Fake No More, but he's been the lead singer of that and other bands since. And he lends his vocal talent on the intro of this song. So without further ado, let us enjoy this song.
Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, heroes in the half shell. Take part! They are the world's most fearsome fighting team. The heroes in the half shell and their queen. When the evil Shredder attacks, these turtle boys don't cut them no slack. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Splinter taught them to be ninja teens. Leonardo leads Donatello does machines. Raphael's cool but rude. Michelangelo's a party dude. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, heroes in the half shell. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles! Shredder's Revenge.
Right, so here we go. Let's go. Let's have arcade mode just to test the water. Start game. We'll have Gnarly. How to play. Oh, I see. This just teaching you how to play, isn't it? Yeah. I'll tell you what we'll do. I think we'll skip this for now. Yeah, we'll skip. We'll skip. Straight into it. I think I'll go a Donatello. sick live footage. What the shell we gotta do with Channel 6?
Job breaking news.
Right, okay, here we go. Oh, the memories have come flooding back now. The memories are coming to flood back. Oh, what was that? Got that 90s style pixelated graphic look to it. Something you very rarely see nowadays. Oh, it reminds me so much of being a teenager, this. And to be fair, this is what's missing nowadays. Games like this, should be more of them. You know, I know the youth today don't really understand these graphics like, and they look at them as though they're shite, but, you know, to us, they are simply magical. Oh, hit me with a spoon. Oh shit, you don't have to get loads of energy lost when you get whacked. Well, so far so good. So far so good. Very reminiscent of Streets of Rage and stuff like that. Oh, what a shot. That's a shot. Oh, no you don't. For that. Bugger. Pizza, 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 pizza. I need pizza. Your energy just seems to get zapped when you get it. Ow. Oh no, game over. Wow. Oh, let's see where we can continue from.
Job breaking news.
Oh dear, right to the start. Oh no. Well, on gnarly mode, it is bloody hard, I must say. But today's video is just about a bit of gameplay, which you've seen before. As I say, the big YouTuber have had this for a few weeks now. Well, a couple of months I should say, so, you know.
Just a minute. Go.
Right, so what I'll do, I shall end that there, and I'll come back to that probably on an easier level, to be honest with you, and when I get used to the controls a bit more, because as you can see I skipped through the moves and controls. So yeah, all good in the hood. A very good game so far. As I've mentioned, yeah, takes me right back to the 90s when that classic arcade Turtles game came out. Right, so that was my first ever go of Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Shredder's Revenge for Nintendo Switch. First impressions of the game are very good. Take me back to the 90s, I say, that classic arcade machine when it first came out. In terms of play on the Switch, yeah, it's absolutely brilliant. It's I've only played, as you can see there, half of gnarly level, 3 lives, and I was a goner. So I'll probably upload some more footage on easier levels, but the chances are anyway, you've seen it anyway. So it's been out for 4 weeks now, and the big YouTubers have had it like weeks before anyway, so yeah. So it's good to see the game finally out, because it was delayed. I think it was delayed by COVID, I don't know, but it was delayed by a good, was it a year or 8 months? I don't know. But good to see it finally out, and it shall be getting some serious gameplay now, but I'll be playing it on my projector, which is like sort of in front of me here. So yeah, cheers for watching. As always, I need to go because I'm absolutely sweating. Another hot day in the UK, and I'll see you in the next video.
Nice shooting, son. What's your name?
Chewie.